So he's cutting my hair for me because absolutely I cannot do this. So he has to cut it for me. So I will use it immediately. No time to waste. No time to check time. And the hairs here are very, very beautiful. See hair now. Make una dey see hair. Double draw, single draw, raw donor. All the name one that they call the hair. E dey here. Even the African one where they weave. This one our African hair. Then they here all. And they are very silky and it is well.
Okay, finish.
Okay. No oil, no putting small oil, put small oil, shine, shine, shine. So guys, right now I'm at the hair place. Yeah, I'm trying to get hair. You can see he's cutting my hair right there. That's what I told him to do. So I just got hair because you cannot come to China and not get a hair. It's going to be an error. You guys know already, right? So I'm going to take you guys through the process. You see all the hairs they have. I'm so tired. If you look at my face of a tired person. I want to buy this hair and he's cutting my hair with price. You have to go and measure it again to be sure. He has to measure the hair for me because I need to buy this piano color. My friend, give me last price. Last, good price, best price.
It's 24.
Oh yeah, shine. Good. Put oil, let it shine. I'm giving him problems. I'm giving him too much issues. Yeah. My friend, how much for this?
It's 500. This one. You put the
See Nigerian hair.
170.
Let me show you the building. Come on, let me show you the building. It's not figure here. Good afternoon. You know, collect 200.
200.
Yes.
Sorry.
So I want to buy piano, different type of things. Hey, wait. They have hair for men. This is for a man.
I give you customer, you don't pay me, I promote you. You pay me? You are the customer for free. For free, I give you customer. You are the customer.
Piano let it be long a little than this.
Long as is that?
You will see or your price will drive you away. Okay, see this. Good afternoon.
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Okay, that's how you calculate that. You don't have me calculator, divide by 227. So this is the amount.
Yes, RMB this one.
Let me give you 200.
No,
How much last?
last the price.
Best price. Oh yeah, show me the one for 200. Don't have.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in the space scene. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So men are not left out. So these are wigs for men. Men now have their own wigs. Don't play. Don't play. So fine. It's so fine.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up.
So this is mostly for men. Okay, this section is for men. I'm actually tired. This is like the 5th video I'm doing today because I need to cover a whole lot of places. Yes, I'm right now. I'm at the beauty place. I hope you love all the products, the makeup, the hair, everything I showed you guys in this beauty place. This place is just one building. And right now, I don't think I know my way out because I've been walking round and round and round. And your baby girl don't lost. Hey, I don't lost. But I will find my way out. You guys know already. So I will see you guys in my next video. I'm still in China, exploring China. And that is what you guys know already. I want to be a traveling vlogger right here in China. See you guys later. Say hi. My friend is saying hello behind. They are so friendly right here. They'll just see you and they want to say hello. And it's good. He's saying hello to you guys. As a content creator, you just got to be friendly. I love you guys. Please keep watching my video to encourage me. That is the only way out. Voila.